What's going on, guys? David back again. Oh, it's figured it already. Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be attempting to put the...
Sticky.
Is it sticky? I thought it was sticky. So we're going to be putting that onto the fog lights. Give them the nice little yellow tint that he desires. So far it's not gone too well, the setup. there's been a lot of moaning. But hopefully now we'll be able to get cracking with it. So here we are, sat in the front of the Renault as always. Harvey now thinks he's a bodywork technician.
This is gonna look shite, for fuck's sake.
This is what we do.
Oh, I found the light.
Do you need two pair of hands or not?
Oh, there we go.
Mate, it's going to end up like my sunstrip. That's what it's going to end up like, all of it just ripped up.
My ends up fine though.
Yeah, but
Oh god.
this thing is like quality. You know, it looks like the fucking wrapper off of them. It looks like the wrapper off of them shitty quality treats that nobody eats. They're like toffee pennies and
I'll tell
shit.
you what, mate. I think I'm gonna do it. Oh shit, it's sticking to the bar.
Oh god, uber adhesive.
So what we're doing is just winging it today. No YouTube tutorial or anything.
When have we not winged it? Everything we do. Oh, it's not too bad, mate, on this angle from here. I tell you what, mate. If you look from this angle, it looks loads better than it does from that angle. If we go around this side, look at this. This is how you tint your lights, everybody. Get off! Help me! Ah.
This ain't gonna go well.
As you can see, we're back again with the Remington Colour Protect. It is a vital tool to car maintenance. Going dark as always. We never do work in the daytime. Refuse to work. That's the thing about car life, isn't it, really? You end up... I'm on it, brother. So yeah, when it comes to car maintenance, if you have a full-time job and whatnot, running companies and shit like that, you just have to try and wing it at night, don't you? That's what we do most of the time. End up working till 9, 10, 11, doing shit.
What?
Here you go, sir.
Thanks. Excuse us. We're just gonna cut this off. It's getting it done.
Let's cut it off and get some on everybody.
Get out. Give it back. Oh.
Good job. That's it, there we go.
So, I think that is... Well, it's first step, we've got loads of fucking vinyl to get through, so...
Yeah, we've got quite a bit.
We'll use it.
We're going to do my windscreen. Wait, shall we yell at my windscreen? Is that legal?
No, I don't think so.
You don't know about having a yellow windscreen?
This bit's like, this bit of film, you have to double tint it because it's not dark enough. Get the blade. Get the blade.
Blade. Where's that? Blade. £3. The range. I'll try and set us up down here. Maybe.
Fuck. It's so awkward, man.
Oh shit.
Oh, it's a very sharp.
God damn it, these goddamn legs.
You might look ricer as fuck, but we're doing something.
That's what you're going for though, isn't it?
I know.
You are right, mate.
I am right.
I'm in shot. Jimmy.
If I take little bits off at a time, no, it's I don't think I'm supposed to do it.
So I'll translate to his little murmur he's having in the same way, a little bit at a time. Chop it off. Chop it off. No, stop. Just throw it at your car. Throw it at your car.
Give it back.
Right, that's it. Thank you. Set in my glasses.
Yes.
Like gamer glasses. I'm like, oh shit, it's hooked. It doesn't make a difference, so it doesn't if things a bit yellow.
You don't look bad if you look through it far away.
No, if you look from far away, it does look good. I just don't think you're going to win many show and shines with it. Yes, I recommend to the show and shine. So we did Crystal Palace, camp over there, and yourself driving down the Sunday. 1,000 minutes all lined up. It's crazy, really crazy. Then we stupid later, the show and shine. First of the joke. And then we ended up with like 3 bottles of wine and the shitty off license. Don't want to camera, I'll clean it all. Oh, mate, it's so funny. Look, such a mess up pictures of last time, man. Come here. Come here. Oh, I feel like I'm completely fighting.
Oh, mate, I didn't sick. Oh, look at me. Oh, mate,
oh, mate, it's so funny. Oh, it's such a mess. I've got pictures somewhere. I'll try and find them.
Yeah.
Mate, to be fair, from this angle on that camera, you look pro as fuck.
Sure.
Look at it. You look like a proper mechanic, like you're fighting it.
Look at that.
There's a few jagged edges, but it don't look too bad, mate, from a distance.
Oh, mate, from a distance, what's sick? Oh, look at it from here.
Oh mate, I need to get that done properly.
It does look sick. Why don't you leave that off? No, who's gonna look?
Nah, it's all. I know what I'm doing. I don't know. I just need to be a pro. Oh fuck, how do you?
Safety first, guys. Retract your blades.
Always retract your blade.
Right, so we need a bit that's like that big.
Where's the rest of it?
Inside, isn't it?
Oh. Right, like his ad. I have to remember how I set the shot up. Off we go, back inside. Because untight.
What the fuck? So we need
3 cups of flour, a 1/4 cup of
not that much.
sugar,
So we got whatever kitchen utensils you can find.
I'll make it like you're playing CSGO.
Yeah.
Flicking that knife around like that. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
That's going down quite quick.
Yeah, there's not as much there as I thought there was.
So now what? Would you say that's too much? I need to cut it in half again.
Yes.
Cut a bit off.
I'm both straight in the middle, there's enough for 2 there, isn't there? On the other side.
So,
Right there.
oh, one eyed it then. Yes.
First time, every time.
Oh, come on, you little bastard.
See, on our channel, we don't just show you the finished product, as we show the struggle. This is called Struggle City Car Club. When you want to be good at things, but you just can't quite do it. Oh. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, why do people rap for a living?
Dun, 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 dun.
Give it back. Hair dried, please.
Progress report. Looking good.
They're not professional grade, but
From a distance, let me get the camera back so people can see. From a distance, mate. No one's going to be down there checking for rough edges at the minute, anyway, are they?
no.
Mate, that's a great picture. Your spotlights, there we go. Oh, mate, look good.
Oh, mate. That's so yellow.
Look at that, that's a great shot. Except for the glare. Look.
Hey, they're like yellow.
I want to do mine. I ain't got any fog lights, so I want to mix them. It was good, mate. Proper creamy. This is loads brighter. Nah, I won't do that. Come and stand here and look.
You all this?
It looks like an indicator.
Does it?
Take the camera.
Wait, what way is it on? Oh, this way. Yeah, well, mate, it does look. It looks so much yellower.
Oh, it's not.
But then,
I'd quit while you're ahead. Because it looks good.
and at least, yeah, I don't know the legalities. I think we're fine, but
They are yellow. They're very yellow.
yeah.
Yellow lights. I ain't got no fog lights. Mate, it's a big difference. One of them's white, one of them's
Oh,
yellow.
mate, it makes my headlights look like Xenon.
What is that on?
No.
Mate, look how scary you call it. Come on, do a shot. Look how piercing it looks. Right, come at me, bro. Oh, sorry. Come at me, bro. And Pierre the French car. Chop, 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 chop. Wait there, flash him again. Big good pick, big good shot. Flash him again. Oh, sick, mate. It looks like a pumpkin.
Hey, we should have put them on. Then one was tinted and one wasn't.
Yeah. There's a big difference though, mate. Great success.
You just can't see the tinted one.
You can. It makes it yellow from here. Mate, you can see the yellow from here.
Oh, yeah. Could always add more, I'll take off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
You know, do your outro?
We didn't do a fucking intro.
It's all one big take. Oh, I did an intro inside the shit.
Alright,
It's been filming for ages, so.
where's that bit of tint? I'm just gonna... Hold that there. But like with your hand trying to not be in the way. I'll get my phone and you just talk. So that's alright. It does make a big difference it being double layered, but yeah, we'll leave it as it is for now.
Hey.
We'll leave it as it is for now
Oh,
because it's quite an easy job. So 5 minutes on a warmer day in the light. Well, so it might look different when the sunlight's hitting it. You can tell it's tinted though, yeah.
Yeah. He's
No,
happy face. He's happy face.
I'm happy with that. Bodge job, but what who the fuck cares? First bodge job I've done to the Clio.
Yeah. I've done about 16. I've had it 3 weeks.
So,
I can show the camera what it looks like.
pull
Really.
up my garage.
This
£3
is
from
now,
eBay.
after. This is
Cheap
before.
download you can do, £3 from eBay for some vinyl. A load of fucking vinyl.
A load of arms.
The vinyl the whole car if I want.
Let's do it.
So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed. Sorry we didn't actually show me doing it, it's pretty easy, you just literally use it like standing.
I got, I got loads.
You just like cut around it, heat it up. Quite easy.
I got loads, mate.
Yeah, if you enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe what you want us to see next. No, comment what you want to see next. Don't
Subscribe what you want to see next.
Just subscribe. Bye.